Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to cancel Weverse digital membership. So if you want to cancel the Weverse digital membership, you need to manage your subscription through the app store where the purchase was made. For example, if you're using on Android, what you have to do is open the Play Store. Now after you open the Play Store, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Tap on this option payments and subscriptions that you can see at third. Now you'll be able to find the options related with payments and subscriptions over here. What you have to do is tap on this option subscriptions that you can see at third. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the subscriptions. What you have to do is locate and select your Weverse digital membership. Right now I do not have it, but I'll tell you what to do. Once you find your Weverse digital membership, what you have to do is tap on the option cancel subscription. Follow through the prompts in order to confirm the cancellation. After you do that, the subscription will be cancelled. That means your digital membership will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Weverse digital membership. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.